If you've come across PredVek.Top, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it legit, or is it just another online scam? In this review, we'll cover what you should know before spending your money. At first glance, PredVek.Top looks like many modern online stores. The website may offer attractive prices and eye-catching deals. That can be tempting, especially if you're trying to save money. But low prices alone should never convince you to buy. It's always important to look deeper. One thing I recommend is checking whether the website clearly lists its contact information, return policy, and customer support details. A trustworthy online store is usually transparent about these things. You should also search for recent customer reviews from independent websites. Look for comments about shipping times, product quality, refunds, and customer service. If you notice lots of complaints or no real customer feedback at all, that's a warning sign. Another thing to check is the age of the website. New websites aren't always scams, but newer stores deserve extra caution until they've built a positive reputation. If you decide to place an order, avoid using payment methods that don't offer buyer protection. A credit card or a trusted payment service can provide an extra layer of security if something goes wrong. So, is PredVek.Top legit? Based on the information available, it's difficult to fully confirm its reliability without more verified customer experiences. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does mean you should be careful before making a purchase.